Hello, my name is SarveshTuckley. My roll number is 19EC01045. Today I'll be showing you my first lab experiment of systems lab, signals and systems lab. So this is the first. Let's run it. So see so we get answer for first. This is x into y, which is the scale, which is the normal multiplication between two matrices, and this x dot into y will give the element to element multiplication. And this uh, like we have first here uh, first here we made a matrix. We added 3 to each and every element of matrix x. Then we created 5 by 5 matrix, and then we took transpose of x matrix and then multiply x with y, and then multiply elements of x with elements of y, single elements. And now here we are creating a matrix which has all the rows of x, but only of the fourth column. Sorry, I told it opposite. It of the fourth row it will have all the columns. So and here from the columns 2 to 4 it will have all the rows. 2 to 4 all the rows. And now we are removing here we are removing column number 4, we are removing column number 2. So now subplot 2 comma 1 comma 1. So 2 and 1 is like the m is to n, that is for the scale of the plot. And a we are taking from -2 to 2 with each element having interval 0.01. And these are the functions for impulse, unit step, ramp, chord. And we are plotting with the help of this legend we are making. Let's run it. And grid is on, and x is from -2 to 2, y 0 to 1. This is our output. So now we have created a and b variables. We are saving a and b in all these files, different files. So this is the name of the file, name of variable. Similarly in all this, and then in this we are saving using this dash ASCII. We are saving only ASCII values of a and b in myfile.txt. And then we are creating here a structure, and then we are saving the structure in this file with specifying that it's a structure and the name of the structure is one. And this this is a and b. So this is the ASCII values of this is type, so it will show what is in myfile.txt. And this a, b and c, it will save a and b variables in this file, and then using this append it will append c to here. So let's see. No, then it is Matlab. Okay. So this. So we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells, writing it in variable a. Using write cell, we are writing all these cells of a into a.txt, and using read cell to read this. So let's run it. This here. Now a, we have taken a matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. We are writing this matrix in this file a.txt, and then we are reading this matrix stored in a.txt. So this is the output. Let's move to next. So load handle.mat. This is a hallelujah song. So this is a part of a song using audio write. So this load handle.mat will give y and fs to us. Y is the amplitude, the information of amplitudes, and this is information of the frequencies. When we are clearing it, then we are now taking info. This is info, okay, and we are taking out this variable y and fs from by using audio read on this inwave again, and then we are writing it to another format .ogg. Then we are again removing those y and fs, writing it in flash. So let's run it so we can read the info. So see, this is the comparison flag, this is Vorbis, so like that. Now next question, since x and n, so we are using this to make x and n variables of a equation, so that we can use it here and here. So now let's use it. So see, so this is equation, is equal to solve equation. So it has solved the equation, given us value of a solution of this equation, and using f plot function and then range, we have made the plot. So now this is matrix. Now let's run this and we will see what it will give us. So it's running. So it has completed. Okay. So let's see. We are starting from y. So repeat it will repeat twice all the elements of x. You can see here. Then we have a, which we have defined. Then mat. So it will repeat the rows twice, columns twice. I will create a matrix like this, which has a 2 by 4 matrix, which has the one element as 1 when I equals to j. So Z will create a 0 matrix of 2 by 3. 1 will create a 1 matrix of matrix with 1 2 by 3. Random will create a random 2 by 3 matrix with random values. Reshape will shape the matrix. Like before B was 4 comma 6, now it is 6 comma 4 by 6, now it is 6 by 4. We can use cat to concatenate. This is 2 0 and 0. So we are like using to indicate that we are doing it horizontally. So and this is 1 and then 0 matrix, and then there is horizontal concatenation and vertical concatenation, and this is the diagonal matrix, and then is block diagonal. Like this is A matrix, this is 0 matrix, this is 1 1 matrix, and for flip lower right, left right, so it will flip the matrix A from left to right. Similarly, in uh, in this it will be flipped up and down, and uh, like so this is up and flip up and down. This it was 1 2 3 and it is 1 2 3, so it has flipped up and down. So now R rotate 90 degrees. The matrix here has been rotated 90 by 90 degrees. So T lower triangular, it has converted A into a lower triangular. So similarly this is upper triangular. Then permute. So we are like exchanges rows and column. One we are normally it is 1 and 2, so making 2 and 1. Circular shift. So we are shifting each element, each rows by 2. So like 1 was here, then it came here, and here. So length. So length will be the minimum number of rows and minimum number of columns. Size will be the like 3 by 3. So this is like the dimensional matrix 3 by 3. And then we have n dimensional. That is 3 by 3 matrix. Dimension is 2. Like we are using 2D matrix. And numeral A, total number of elements in A, which is 6, and is empty. Z has 0 0 element, but is not empty, so it is 0, false. Load next one. So n equals to 10, sum equals to 0. Let's run it. Okay. So now let's write sum here. So sum is 55 because we see like for n greater than 0, n is 10 greater than 0. Sum equals to sum plus n. Sum is initially 0 and we are adding 10. Then we'll add 9. Then so on till it is 0 and then stop. Similarly for loop, we will 1 to 10. So for first time it will be like 0. So 0 plus 1, then will be 1 plus 2, then 3 plus 3, then so on till it reaches 10 it will end. So now it is nested loop for n is 10 which is greater than 0. Then we print it here sum again and again, so you can see what is. So see the is 55 and here the sum is 550. 550 how? If this is the same as here, so for first time we are in while loop, it will give 55, and then because this while loop runs for 10 times, 55 into 10, 550. So this is how we get. And for now this, so now see in this b is 0 and 1. If b is equals to 1, then we should continue. Let me write c equals to 3 suppose. So now I'll return c0 because c was 3 and b is equals to 0. This is false, it will come here. C equals to b, then c is 0, and second it will, when b is equals to 1, continue, so it won't come down here. For p equals to 3, b is 0, let's print p here. P is 3. See now because initially it was 3, so now when if p is equals to 0, it will break, so it will come out of the for loop, so it will never come down here. That's why p is 0. P is 3 but not 0. Sorry, if statements before b. Let's run it. Now b is 3. A was 3, b was 0. So a equals to 3, b equals to 8. This is true, so we get b. Now b is 0, a is equals to 2, which is false. B equals to, I thought b equals to 9. Now b will be equals to 9. See, now b is again 0, a equals to 2 false, else if a equals to 3, b equals to 5. So this will be 2, so b equals to 5. This won't get executed and b won't be equals to 6. So we should get 5. Yes. And if a not equals to 0, we know a is 3. And now if a equals to 3, 2, so it will come here. Z equals to 9. So Z will be 9 and rest all be false. So let's see what is that. It should be 9. Then switch A. So switch A. A is 3, so switch 3. So it will check the case is 0. No, A is not 0. Then 3. A is 3. So yes. So X is 1. So X should be 1. And in this, M is 8. Switch 3. Case 3. True. Switch M, which is 8. Case 8. True. So N should be 1. Not 0 or N99. Let's see. N. It should be 1 2. So this is my this is my Matlab experiment, and I have sent you the PDF along with all the files that was created in this. So This is that's it.